Hey guys, today I will show you how to check the activation date on your Android device. So let's get started. So firstly, open the Settings app and then scroll down to the About Phone tab. And here you should look for IMEI number, and you might have two of those. So it doesn't really matter which IMEI you use, you just can copy either of those, and if you cannot, just enter it manually. And then open the browser app and go to the URL provided in the description under the video. And then go to this website to check your warranty status and other info. So tap onto IMEI check and here pass the IMEI number and go through the CAPTCHA. And then tap on this small arrow. And here you will see all of the available info about your phone. So if you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.